Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Home Depot affiliate program for DIY content step by step clearly. Visit the Home Depot affiliate program website. Click on the Join Now button to start the application process. Fill out the registration form with your personal information. Provide details about your website or social media platforms. Include information on your audience demographics and content focus. Review and agree to the Home Depot affiliate terms and conditions. Submit your application for review. Wait for an email confirmation regarding your application status. Once approved, log in to your affiliate account. Familiarize yourself with the affiliate dashboard and its features. Explore available marketing materials such as banners and product links. Select products that align with your DIY content ideas. Generate unique affiliate links for the products you want to promote. Integrate these links into your DIY content on your platform. Create engaging tutorials that highlight the products effectively. Monitor your performance metrics through the affiliate dashboard. Adjust your strategy based on the data and feedback you receive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.